Here we go guys, my binignit, ready to enjoy. Now let's taste it. Absolutely delicious. Binignit is a Bisaya dessert recipe to celebrate the Easter holiday. Hi everyone, I'm Naomi. Welcome to Naomi's Filipino Kitchen, where all my Filipino recipes are all presented in English. Today, I'm going to show you how to cook binignit. Binignit is a regional variation of ginataang halo-halo. What is the difference between binignit and ginataang halo-halo? Well, binignit uses milled glutinous rice, whereas the ginataang halo-halo uses the sticky rice bowl or glutinous rice bowl, which known in the Philippines, galapong or belo-belo. Here are the ingredients of my binignit: jackfruit, purple yam, glutinous rice, tapioca pearl, banana, brown sugar, coconut milk, coconut cream, water, taro, and sweet potato. Wait until the end of this video for a sneaky peek of some of my other recipes. Let's start cooking guys by cooking the tapioca pearl in a pot of boiling water. Let's get started. While we are waiting for the water to boil, let's prepare the yams. Let's prepare the taro. Now let's prepare the sweet potato. Guys, in France we have to buy our purple yam frozen. We just have to cut them into cubes. Now we're going to peel and chop the bananas. Wash the rice 3 times and drain. Now the rice is ready. Now the water is boiling. Just add the tapioca pearl. Cover and bring it to boil. Now it's boiling. Keep stirring for 15 to 20 minutes. You have to do like that guys because this tapioca pearl will stick in the bottom. So that's why you have to keep stirring them. I like using small tapioca pearl guys because it's cooked quickly. After 5 minutes, they are started to swell up. Keep stirring. After 15 minutes, your tapioca pearl is now ready. Just wash and drain. Place the tapioca pearl on a strainer. See guys. And then rinse. We have to wash off the starch. And give it a good drain. And set aside. In a separate pan, mix the coconut milk and water. In a cold pot, pour the water, coconut milk, mix it up, and turn the heat and bring it to simmer. We don't want to boil the coconut milk guys because it will curdle. After 5 minutes, the coconut milk is warm up. Just add the rice. And keep stirring. because it will stick down the bottom, guys, if you don't stir them. You have to cook this, guys, on a medium heat. After 10 minutes, we just have to add our 3 types of yam to our binignit. Sweet potato, taro, and the purple yam. Guys, this is going to take 10 to 15 minutes. Cover and simmer on a medium heat. After 10 minutes, let's have a look how the yams are doing. Guys, you know when the yam is ready when it's soft for the fork. Okay? Now let's add the banana. Our jackfruit. Smells absolutely gorgeous, this jackfruit, guys. Tapioca pearl. Our cooked tapioca pearl is in. Sugar. And the coconut cream. Give it a stir. This is going to be a very delicious binignit. Oh, look at the contrast of color in my binignit, guys. Wow. I can't wait to eat it. Cover and simmer for 5 minutes. After 40 minutes of total cooking time, my binignit is now ready to serve and enjoy. It can be served hot or cold, but personally, I prepare it hot. Any excess can be frozen and enjoyed for another day. Here we go, guys. My binignit ready to enjoy. Now let's taste it. Absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoyed my binignit recipe today, and if you like it, then like it, and if you love it, please subscribe. If you're making this recipe over Easter holiday, guys, wish you all a happy Easter holiday. God bless. See you soon.